Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Alright, that is the cocoa. So in today's video we are going to be discussing something very special, something very deep. If you are a man out there and you are watching this video, it is better for you to call another man. If you know a friend that knows a friend that is a man, just get in here because I'm going to be spilling the tea. All right. If you're a man out there, you want the joy of your joystick to be full. All right, to be fuller, just get in here, irrespective of your age. Even if you are 102, even if you are 107, as long as you are a man, just find your way to this video, gain access to this video. All right, because what I'm going to be spilling here, what I'm going to be showing you here, you are going to love it a lot. This is a change of story recipe. So before I dive in, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video most importantly, and make sure to share this video. Okay, so the first ingredient I will be using in this video is raisin. All right, you can use a dry raisin and you can use a cooked raisin. So far you are using a raisin, you are good to go. All right. So the second ingredient I'm going to be working with is milk. All right, right now I'm using a powdered milk, but you can use a liquid milk. All right, a full cream liquid milk, you know, whatever liquid milk you could lay your hands on, it is good. And also you can use yogurt. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is to mix water with the milk because I'm using a powdered full cream powdered milk. All right, so the next thing is to pour the raisin into the blender and also add the milk and blend everything together till smooth. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope my information is quite important to you. If so, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and make sure to share this video. All right, make sure to subscribe, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.